Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello, everyone. I hope all is well. Today, I'll be helping you with the 15th problem of the Chapter 28 problem set. So you have 15, which is asking, what does PTH stimulate when blood calcium levels are low, right? So we have PTH, right? And so this stands for parathyroid hormone. So the PT is all one word, parathyroid, and the H is the hormone. So this regulates calcium levels in the blood, right? So say you have a vein, right? Or better, an artery, because we're carrying blood to the um, organs that need it. So all of them. Haha, cool joke, right? Okay. Anyways, we have so it's regulating the calcium. So we have calcium ions, right, in this one right here. And that seems like a lot in comparison to this one, which has low calcium levels, right? It has that much. So basically, it increases calcium levels by targeting the skeleton, kidneys, and intestine, right? So basically, what we're going to do is go through all the answers and pick the best one. So we have A, that says excretion of calcium from the kidneys. We have B, excretion of calcium from the intestines. C, we have osteoblasts. And then we have D, osteoclasts, right? So basically what we want to do is it targets the skeleton, kidneys, and intestines, right? So basically what will happen is you might think, wait, the kidneys, oops, sorry. So we have the kidneys, right? And why would those excrete calcium, right? That makes no sense, right? And then you have the same thing for the intestines, right? So why would that excrete calcium, right? That makes no sense. Like, how does it get that, and then how does it excrete it? So actually, that is a great question, because they don't actually do not excrete calcium. They actually absorb it, because those are kidneys that are great. The kidneys and intestines are great for absorption, right? So in the kidneys, you'll have things like the nephron, which will absorb the calcium. You know, intestines like the small intestine, which have a lot of ripples and have great surface area for absorption. So both A and B are wrong, because the intestines and kidneys do not excrete calcium, they absorb it, right? So now we're at osteoblasts and osteoclasts, right? And so you might be thinking, oh, the only one left is skeleton, so these must relate to the skeleton, right? And so for this, you just need to know the definitions of these two, right? You have to know that they are in association with the skeleton, but so D is the correct one, because osteoclasts, right? They stimulate this for the skeleton to release calcium. So if you have the skeleton right here, right, of the human, so osteoclast will make this release, will make it release calcium, right? So it'll make it release calcium, and then osteoblasts, right, will make the skeleton reabsorb the calcium. So I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you have a great day.